The icy realms of Russia and Alaska, often perceived as desolate and unyielding, hold within their frozen depths some of the most astonishing secrets of our planet's history. Encased in the permafrost, a natural deep freeze that preserves the past, lie ancient remains and artifacts that offer a unique window into life as it existed thousands, even tens of thousands of years ago. These discoveries not only unravel the mysteries of extinct species and ancient human civilizations, but also provide critical insights into climate change and its far-reaching impacts. In 7 mind-blowing permafrost discoveries, Russia and Alaska Uncovered, we journey through these remarkable finds, exploring how they shape our understanding of the past and inform our future. From woolly mammoths and mummified steppe bison to ancient viruses and human settlements, each chapter reveals a story of survival, extinction, and the ever-evolving dance between life and the environment. Join us as we delve into the frozen archives of the Earth, uncovering the wonders that permafrost has preserved against the relentless march of time. Deep beneath the icy tundra of Siberia, a team of scientists stumbled upon a remarkably preserved woolly mammoth. Encased in permafrost for thousands of years, this discovery provided an unprecedented glimpse into the past. The woolly mammoth roamed the Earth during the last ice age, coexisting with early humans. The permafrost preserved not only the mammoth's body, but also remnants of its environment, including ancient plant life and pollen. These remains gave scientists crucial insights into the ecosystems of that era, illustrating how mammoths and other megafauna interacted with their environment. This discovery fueled discussions about the possibility of cloning and bringing the mammoth back to life. Scientists extracted DNA samples, hoping to use modern technology to potentially resurrect this ancient giant. By comparing the mammoth's DNA with that of its closest living relative, the Asian elephant, researchers aimed to identify the genes that could help recreate the mammoth's unique traits, such as its thick fur and large tusks. The debate over cloning raises ethical questions about de-extinction and the implications of bringing back species that have been extinct for millennia. Concerns include the potential impact on current ecosystems, the welfare of the cloned animals, and the moral responsibilities of humans in manipulating nature. The mammoth discovery continues to inspire research and debate in the scientific community, highlighting the fine balance between scientific progress and ethical considerations. While the technical and ethical challenges of cloning remain significant, the discovery of the woolly mammoth has revitalized interest in ancient DNA and the potential for de-extinction. The ongoing research has expanded our understanding of Ice Age biology and climate, providing valuable lessons for contemporary conservation efforts. In Alaska, miners unearthed a mummified steppe bison, perfectly preserved by the permafrost. This ancient animal, known as Blue Babe, provided valuable insights into the Ice Age ecosystem. The discovery was not only a scientific treasure, but also a cultural landmark, bridging the ancient past with modern scientific inquiry. The bison was discovered with intact skin, fur, and even stomach contents, offering a rare opportunity to study its diet and habitat. The preservation was so extraordinary that researchers could analyze its last meal. This allowed them to reconstruct the bison's environment, revealing a landscape dominated by grasses and low-lying vegetation typical of the Ice Age steppe. Analysis revealed that the bison had been hunted and killed by ancient predators, likely a pack of wolves or large cats. The bite marks on its bones and the positioning of its body indicated a violent end. This discovery shed light on the interactions between species during the Ice Age, demonstrating the complex food webs and survival strategies of that time. The contents of Blue Babe's stomach provided a detailed snapshot of its final moments. Researchers found remnants of grasses and sedges, which indicated the type of vegetation that flourished during that period. This information, coupled with isotopic analysis, helped scientists understand the seasonal migrations and grazing patterns of steppe bison. Blue Babe is now a centerpiece in museums, helping to educate the public about Ice Age life and the power of permafrost preservation. The discovery continues to contribute to our understanding of ancient ecosystems, offering a tangible connection to a world long gone. In the remote regions of Alaska, archaeologists uncovered evidence of ancient human settlements preserved in the permafrost. These findings offered a rare glimpse into the lives of early inhabitants of North America, revealing their ingenuity and adaptability. Excavations revealed tools, pottery, and remains of dwellings, indicating sophisticated craftsmanship and social organization. The permafrost's preservation allowed for detailed analysis of these artifacts. Among the finds were intricately carved bone tools, indicating advanced hunting techniques and artistic expression. The findings showed how early humans adapted to the harsh conditions of the Ice Age, using advanced hunting techniques and forming complex social structures to survive. They built shelters from animal bones and hides, used fire for warmth and cooking, and developed clothing suited for the frigid climate. These adaptations highlight the resourcefulness and resilience of early human communities. The arrangement of dwellings and communal spaces suggested that these ancient people had a well-developed social structure. Burial sites indicated rituals and beliefs about the afterlife, while trade goods found at the sites suggested connections with distant communities. This evidence points to a rich cultural life and a network of interactions across vast distances. These discoveries help bridge the gap between ancient and modern human history, providing insights into migration patterns and cultural evolution. The frozen settlements continue to be a focal point for archaeological research, shedding light on the early chapters of human history in North America. In the permafrost layers of Siberia, scientists discovered ancient viruses and bacteria, some dating back tens of thousands of years. These microbial time capsules offered a unique opportunity to study ancient pathogens and their evolution. Researchers extracted these microorganisms from ice cores, analyzing their genetic material and understanding how they survived in the frozen environment for millennia. The permafrost acted as a natural freezer, preserving the microbes in a state of suspended animation. This preservation allowed scientists to revive and study them, providing a window into ancient microbial life. The study of these ancient microbes provides insights into the evolution of viruses and bacteria, offering potential clues about modern diseases and pandemics. By comparing ancient strains with their contemporary counterparts, researchers can trace the genetic changes that have occurred over thousands of years. This knowledge can inform strategies for combating current and future infectious diseases. Experiments with these ancient microbes revealed their potential to become active once thawed. This finding has significant implications for public health, as it raises the possibility of reawakening dormant pathogens as permafrost thaws due to climate change. Scientists are now exploring ways to safely study these organisms while preventing accidental releases. The discovery of ancient pathogens raises concerns about the potential release of dormant diseases as permafrost thaws due to climate change. Scientists continue to monitor and study these microorganisms, balancing the pursuit of knowledge with caution. The frozen virus vault underscores the delicate balance between scientific exploration and the need for stringent safety measures. In Siberia, scientists embarked on an ambitious project known as Pleistocene Park, aiming to recreate the Ice Age ecosystem by reintroducing extinct species and studying their impact on the environment. The project was inspired by the vision of reviving the mammoth steppe, a vast grassland that once spanned Eurasia and North America. The project seeks to understand how large herbivores like mammoths and bison shaped the landscape, influencing vegetation and climate. By reintroducing similar species, researchers hope to restore the ancient ecosystem. The goal is to bring back a functioning ecosystem that mirrors the conditions of the Pleistocene epoch, potentially even mitigating climate change by promoting grassland growth, which sequesters carbon. Initial findings indicate that the reintroduced animals are altering the vegetation and soil composition, demonstrating the profound impact of these species on the environment. The grazing patterns of large herbivores help maintain grasslands and prevent the encroachment of forests, which can affect climate dynamics by reflecting more sunlight and trapping less heat. The success of Pleistocene Park has led to calls for expanding the experiment to other regions. Scientists are exploring the feasibility of introducing additional species, such as wild horses and camels, to further mimic the Pleistocene ecosystem. These efforts aim to create a self-sustaining environment that could provide valuable data for conservation and climate science. Pleistocene Park offers a unique experimental framework for studying ecosystem dynamics and the potential for ecological restoration. The project continues to evolve, attracting attention from scientists and conservationists worldwide. The findings from this experiment could revolutionize our understanding of ecosystem management and provide new tools for combating climate change. In the Siberian permafrost, scientists discovered the mummified remains of 2 cave lion cubs, perfectly preserved with their fur and facial features intact. These cubs provided an unprecedented look at a species that roamed the Earth during the last ice age. The discovery offered a rare opportunity to study the biology and behavior of these ancient predators. The cubs were found in a remote region, buried in ice for thousands of years. Their preservation allowed scientists to study their physiology, diet, and potential causes of death. The cubs' fur, teeth, and even their internal organs were remarkably intact, providing a wealth of information about their life and the environment they lived in. Analysis revealed that the cubs were likely part of a larger family group, shedding light on the social structure and hunting strategies of cave lions. Their diet, determined from stomach contents, included reindeer and other large herbivores. Isotopic analysis of their bones and teeth helped reconstruct their movements and hunting patterns. The surrounding sediments provided clues about the landscape and climate of the time. Pollen analysis indicated a diverse plant community, while evidence of other animal remains suggested a rich ecosystem supporting a variety of herbivores and predators. The discovery of the cave lion cubs has fascinated scientists and the public alike, providing a tangible connection to the ancient world. The cubs are now preserved in a museum, contributing to ongoing research and education. Their legacy extends beyond scientific knowledge, inspiring awe and curiosity about the ancient predators that once roamed the Earth. As global temperatures rise, permafrost in Russia and Alaska is beginning to thaw, revealing ancient treasures and posing significant environmental challenges. The melting permafrost is not only exposing preserved remains, but also releasing trapped greenhouse gases, accelerating climate change. The thawing permafrost releases ancient carbon stores, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and accelerating climate change. This process also exposes preserved remains and artifacts, providing new opportunities for scientific discovery. However, the melting permafrost also threatens infrastructure, leading to ground subsidence and damage to buildings, roads, and pipelines. The melting permafrost disrupts ecosystems, infrastructure, and traditional ways of life for indigenous communities. Scientists are working to understand and mitigate the impact of these changes. The release of methane and carbon dioxide from thawing permafrost could have significant implications for global climate patterns, creating a feedback loop that exacerbates warming. Communities in the Arctic and subarctic regions are developing strategies to adapt to the changing landscape. These include modifying infrastructure designs to accommodate ground instability, preserving traditional knowledge, and enhancing climate resilience. International cooperation and investment in research and mitigation are essential to address the multifaceted challenges posed by permafrost thaw. The thawing permafrost serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need to address climate change. The discoveries it reveals are invaluable, but they come with significant risks and challenges that require global cooperation and innovative solutions. As scientists continue to study the permafrost, their findings underscore the importance of reducing greenhouse gas emissions and protecting vulnerable ecosystems. The discoveries in Russia and Alaska have opened new frontiers in permafrost research, highlighting the importance of preserving and studying these frozen archives. As technology advances, so does our ability to uncover and analyze the secrets held within the permafrost. Advancements in technology, such as remote sensing, DNA analysis, and climate modeling, are enhancing our ability to study permafrost and its contents. These tools allow scientists to uncover new discoveries and gain deeper insights into the past. Innovations like cryogenic sampling and high-resolution imaging are enabling more precise and less invasive exploration of permafrost layers. International collaboration is crucial for advancing permafrost research. Scientists from around the world are working together to share data, resources, and expertise, fostering a global understanding of these frozen landscapes. Collaborative projects and data-sharing platforms are facilitating the exchange of knowledge and accelerating scientific progress. The potential for future discoveries in the permafrost is vast. As climate change continues to impact these regions, new remains and artifacts will likely be uncovered. These discoveries will not only enrich our understanding of the past, but also inform our approaches to addressing contemporary environmental challenges. The ongoing study of permafrost is not only about uncovering the past, but also about preserving it for future generations. By understanding the ancient world, we can better appreciate the present and prepare for the challenges ahead. The discoveries made in the permafrost of Russia and Alaska continue to inspire and inform, guiding the way for future research and conservation efforts. As we look to the future, the lessons learned from permafrost research will be crucial in shaping a sustainable and resilient world.